Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And today is March the 21st, 2018, and I have my lovage seedlings here. Now, on the original video, I put 2 seeds per cell, and nothing came up, which they do have a low germination rate. I did have them pre-chilled, but lovage seeds can have a low and a short shelf life to begin with, so I wound up having to go back and plant more seeds in it, and it did come up for me. So I just wanted to show you here what it looks like. Now, I know some people want to do organic, which that's completely fine. I'm not too familiar with feeding plants indoors with organic plant foods, so outside, we do the organic, but indoors, I use Miracle Grow food for them. It's the all-purpose water-soluble plant food. I use a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and I do feed them once a week with it. Now, lovage is a perennial, so it does come back in my area, and I'm in zone, well, they zoned us zone 6, and we used to be zone 5, and we hit zone 4 temperatures sometimes because it just gets cold up here. So I'm in Pennsylvania, and I know that it is a perennial here. So I just wanted to show you here what it looks like. It does kind of resemble parsley in a way, so you definitely want to make sure that you label it so that you don't get them mixed up. And if you do, this has like a celery fragrance to it and taste, so that should help you separate them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.